Hey dolls and gents, today I am showing you how I created this quick braided hairstyle using hair extensions from Starlight Hair. I am rocking their Brazilian body wave hair. I am rocking 4 bundles plus a lace closure. I have in 28, 26, 24, 22 plus a 20-inch lace closure. I did go ahead and wand this hair before I began this tutorial on my wig blog just to make things easier. Y'all have seen me do curls like this so many times. If you are not familiar with how I do curls like this, then go ahead and click the card up top. I don't know if it's on this side or this side, but click that. It will take you straight to the tutorial for those curls. But if you want to see how I achieve this braid right here, this faux headband, it's really hair from here, then definitely stay tuned. So I just finished making this wig. This is a wig that I created using Starlight Hair. This is their Brazilian body wave hair. I have 4 bundles, 28, 26, 24, 22, plus a 20-inch lace closure. So I did construct this wig. I didn't apply an elastic band or wig combs because I really don't need it, and you'll see in just a moment. So I'm going to go ahead and just plop it on my head. I do have my hair braided, and I have a just black wig cap on. So I like to hold my head down and put my wig on, flip it over like that, and it has like a really tight fit. That's how I do my lace closure wigs. I make sure that it matches the circumference of my head so it fits nice and snug without any combs or elastic band. I also went ahead and bleached the knots already, so the knots are bleached on this wig. So I already curled this hair. I want to go ahead and make a little braid and wrap it around like a milkman braid. So I'm trying to think where I want to pull the braid from. Do I want to wrap it like this? Or do I want to pull it from like the middle and wrap it from like here and wrap it? I think I will pull it from the middle. So I'm going to take a piece like right here and I'm gonna braid it. I'm not the best braider, but y'all get the point. Start braiding the hair all the way down. And I probably should have taken a bigger piece, but we can always pull it out and make the braid thicker if need be. I've been loving like doing braids incorporated with my weaves. I think it's so cute. It's like a more bohemian vibe. And it definitely reminds me of like spring and summertime. So I didn't take it all the way down, but we're basically gonna lay it like it's a little braid and then tuck it under, just like that. I hope y'all see what I'm doing. So I just found a bobby pin. Going to go ahead and pin that braid down and then pull the hair back over. So here is my hairstyle for the day. It's like a braided hairband, and I just pulled it from an under part of the hair, and as you can see, it's super cute. It just adds a little something extra to the look. So here is a quick little hairstyle that you can do with your lace closure wig. Just make sure that you curl the hair ahead of time and then just pull from here to do your braid across, and it's just so cute. I'm in love with this. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you are interested in checking out these hair extensions from Starlight Hair, I will leave all their information down below for you guys. I am obsessed with this hair. It's super fluffy, super soft, super full. I've had very minimal shedding, very minimal tangling so far, and it's really low maintenance hair because it's a least closure. So yeah, I will be sure to catch you all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not already checked out my last video, be sure to click the box right here to watch it before you leave.